guess this is the western part of Utah. We're south and west of Salt Lake. And if you look, there's nothing. I mean, it's just water. Well, actually, it's very shallow water, about 2 inches deep. You can see little stuff sticking up out of it. But this has been going on for freaking miles. And it's actually nerve-wracking because the wind is blowing so hard that my truck is leaning to the left. And heck, I'm 78,000 pounds. And the only reason I don't slow down is because I do weigh 78,000 pounds. Here comes another vehicle in front of me. I don't think you can see it on camera yet. But he's having a hard time keeping it in his lane. I'm getting ready to go around it. You can see the wind blowing the water, because it's raining too, off to the left side of his vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and get this other lane first. Whoa. This is crazy. It's a large load. You might be able to see the wind whipping around his truck. Hard to get back into my lane. This wind is blowing about as hard as I've ever dealt with. 40, maybe 45 mile an hour winds, and it is directly perpendicular to the road. And it's raining pretty good too.